We champion individuals. We champion families and communities. We champion the brave, the compassionate, those who make a difference in our lives every day. We champion the dream of making your home a reality. We believe that everyone should have a high-quality, attractive, and affordable place to call home. That's why we constantly push the boundaries of what is possible in factory construction. Every improvement we make and every new standard we set brings the dream of a quality home that much closer. We are a family of champion brands, leveraging our position as an industry leader to deliver a comprehensive range of innovative products and services in support of opening new doors. We champion what's next in factory-built housing, delivering an extensive range of designs and specifications to satisfy the taste and budgets of a wide range of home buyers. We champion an outstanding home buying experience that centers the needs of our customers throughout every step of the purchasing process. We champion a smarter way to build by empowering communities and builder developers to increase productivity by delivering innovative home designs that are fast, affordable, and attractive. We champion timely and dependable delivery of our homes across the country. We champion a turnkey process that includes site preparation, home installation, and finish, so each home is delivered with precision and care. We pledge to deliver exceptional value in every home we build and in every service that we provide. The champion in our name reflects our purpose: to champion our customers' home experience every step of the way. We are Champion Homes.